Feral Crafter with Hungry Wolf Studios. And over the last week I've been talking to a few beginner programmers, and one of the things I wanted to pass out and see what they can make with it was my basic text engine. This is where I started. Once I figured this out, I was actually good to go. One thing I'd like to point out real quick is to get a text game up and running, it takes about 100 hours of programming, and then to really get it finished is about 600 hours to get all the features you want into it and have it good from beginning to end. Now, I know a lot of people aren't into text games, but you have to start somewhere. So that's what this is. So let me step you through the code here. IO stream, you need that for C++. Con.io.h is for KB hit, keyboard hit. I'm using the standard namespacing, and this is bad form. You should never declare globals, but in this I'm doing so just to have you think about it, you the coder, if you decide to use this. Oh, real quick, if you ever get your game sent out or handed out and you use this engine, all I want is a special thanks to Hungry Wolf Studios. So, moving back, the only tool you actually need is pause. And how does that work? See out, press any key to continue. Do while, as in do nothing while keyboard is not hit. So this allows the system to keep running while it waits for the user to strike a key. Once they do, you capture that key, and then you start a new line. So, with a game engine, you'll need a way to capture keyboard commands and process it. So here we got keystroke. It brings in a single character, switches to that single character, and checks to see if it's Q. We quit. Says you pressed Q. Set the global to 1, which means 0 is don't quit, 1 is quit. So you can set this to a Boolean if you want. And then we break out of it. Otherwise, it says key is not a valid keystroke. So that is the keystroke. So welcome to the game. Enter whatever name you want, any way you like it, and then we pause. Press any key to continue. We set up our choice. We set up our counter. The counter is to show that the numbers are continuing to count while you do nothing. Press a key or quit to quit, lowercase q, but either way. And now we've got that do while again, not KB hit. So while the keyboard is not being hit, we check to see if the counter is greater than 10,000 or 10,000 and greater. If so, reset it to 10 or reset it to 0. We don't want a runaway number. And we don't want the screen constantly scrolling, so we return to the beginning. We do a little space and return. Double return? Yeah. So if it's that, otherwise, we just return to the beginning and we spit out the counter number. Counter plus plus. So we keep doing that while we wait for the keyboard hit. Once we get the keyboard hit, we capture that as the choice, send it to keystroke, and if keystroke changes quit to 1, we quit. Otherwise, we keep doing this until we get the quit command. And then it's a thank you for playing. Pause. So this is the game engine. Real simple. 67 lines. About 20 of those is notes. And I'll be posting that in the link down below. So from this point on, I will be adding it to the comments or the doobly-doo, whatever the name is, so that you can actually download it and start coding your own text game. And I know I have moved on to a console Windows style, which when you get to it, you get to it. So anyways, hopefully this helps, and let's just run it and compile it. Come on. run. Welcome to my game. And insert name here. There's the pause. And there's the counting. So let's hit enter. You press, nope. Some number pads, some letters. Yep, it's picking up everything. Check this out. Arrow key. It put in two different ones. That funny symbol and the letter M. Up is the funny symbol, letter H. But anyways, quit. You press Q. Thank you for playing. There we go. And that's the whole game engine. Real simple, real straight. Now you can just start adding whatever you want. From maps to inventory to room descriptions to exits, etc., etc., etc. So hopefully this helps. And that's it. And if you guys use this, don't forget to put a special thanks to Hungry Wolf Studios. That's it. Thank you. And I'll catch you guys later.